my promotion. My kneeling before you is my enthronement before men. Jehovah Rapha, my healer. Jehovah Shalom, my peace. Adonai, my redeemer forever. Faithful God, my life shall shine. My surrender is my elevation. My humility is my authority. Because you lift the lowly, my tomorrow is secure. Angels prepare my path where I bow. Favor speaks my name in rooms I have not entered. Mercy covers me, glory surrounds me. What men overlook, God magnifies. Every humble act is a seed for honor. Every moment of obedience becomes testimony. Even before I rise, heaven is already declaring, this one shall be exalted. Lift your voice and declare, my kneeling before you is my enthronement before men. The lowly shall be lifted, the humble shall be honored. Every act of faith and surrender shall bring glory. Rejoice, the Lord is faithful. He promotes the faithful. My kneeling before you is my enthronement before men. Jehovah Jireh, my provider. Jehovah Nissi, my banner of victory. Adonai, my strength and my shield. Faithful God, my life shall rise. My obedience is my glory. My surrender is my promotion. Because I bow, you live. Every humble heart shall rise. Every faithful life shall shine. Every act of obedience shall be rewarded. My kneeling is my enthronement. Victory, honor, and promotion are mine. Because my God is faithful, mighty, and true. Lord, rise in my life. Shine through my humility. Complete your perfect plan in me. Let my tomorrow rise as living proof that my kneeling before you is my enthronement before men. So keep crying, oh, ooh, oh, ooh, oh. Eternal Father, you speak without noise, you move without warning. I thought you withdrew, but you were rearranging my destiny.
Welcome on board. The title for this one is The Hand That Empties is the Hand That Fills. Remain connected. DJ Jerryman live in the studio with original song produced from this studio and made available in all streaming platform. You can look out for them. DJ Jerryman is the artist. Any platform of your choice at all, you can access them out there. And here, you know, I have full control of what you listen, but there you are in charge. You decide on what to listen to, either being worship or praises. You can make your choice there. Remain connected. We are just joining.
Understanding the present when everything slipped away. I thought I was forgotten when my strength drained. I thought you were silent. But now I see you do not empty what you went to abandon. Ooh, you do not strip a vessel unless you plan to pour again. What felt like loss was your gentle hand. What looked like nothing was space for something greater. Ooh, you empty to fill me again. You break to remake me whole. Ooh, Jehovah Jireh, you never fail. Adonai, you know the end from the start. Ooh, if you emptied it, you are preparing an overflow. Strength and weakness. In my weakness, your power stood up strong when I could not speak.
If he's the one that empty you, definitely he will fill you up.
Turned it into an altar. Ooh, you met me in the valley and revealed yourself as God. I did not lose ground, I gained grace. I did not fall behind, I was repositioned. Worship chants low. Empty me, Lord, fill me again. Strip me of pride, clothe me with power. You empty to fill me again. Jehovah Rapha, my healer complete. Jehovah Shalom, my calm in the storm. Ooh. empty places, they are evidence you are not done. Ooh, my emptiness is calling my overflow. Now I stand without shame, now I wait without fear. Because the same hands that remove are the hands that will restore. Ooh, my story is changing tone, my season is changing sound. What left me will be replaced with something eternal. What drained me will return as double portion. Ooh. If you emptied it, you will fill it. If you emptied it, you will crown it. My dry bones shall live again. My empty nets shall break with harvest. My silent nights shall birth loud testimonies. You empty to fill me again. Jehovah Nissi, my banner lifted high. Adonai, ruler of my times and seasons. I move forward without regret. I trust the process of my God. Ooh, you empty to fill me again. Eternal perspective. Even when I did not understand you, you understood me. Even when I doubted the season, you stayed faithful. You emptied the cup because you wanted it full. You paused the journey because you were upgrading the vessel. Now I know delay is not denial. Silence is not absence. Oh, prophetic declaration slowly. My emptiness will speak overflow. My weakness will reveal his strength. My dry season will announce abundance. My life will testify that God never wastes pain. You empty to fill me again. Oh, I surrender the process. I trust your hands completely. Ooh, you empty to fill me again. Gentle rest.
Welcome on board. After this track now, we shall switch to have some moment of praises. Remain connected. The title for this one is Stay Close. Stay close. No matter what happened, he is still close by. He did not abandon you. He did not abandon us. Let's check it out. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please do me a favor by giving me a like, share, comment as you join. God bless you. That means a whole lot to me. Let's check it out.
Still close. DJ Jerryman.
Let the guitar speak softly tonight. No rushing rhythm, just a quiet melody where the heart can breathe. There were days when the road ahead felt uncertain. Steps taken slowly, wondering where they might lead.
Questions move through my thoughts, and the silence around me
sometimes felt heavier than the answers I hoped to find. I searched for meaning in seasons that seemed to last longer than I expected. Why some prayers wait patiently in the quiet, but somewhere between the waiting and the whispered hopes of my heart, I began to see
something gentle.
You were still close, not loud, not overwhelming,
just present,
like a calm light resting at the edge of dawn. Before the world awakens, quiet ways you carried me forward. The doors that opened when I expected none. The peace that arrived when worry tried to remain. The courage that appeared right when fear tried to speak louder. None of it was by chance. It was you, your kindness moving gently through moments I did not yet understand. Your grace writing a story beyond what I could see. So tonight I come simply, no hurry in my words, no need to explain everything. Just gratitude rising slowly from a heart that finally understands. Through every doubt, every delay, every silent prayer in the night, you were still close. And if your presence has carried me this far, then tomorrow feels different now. Because the same God who walked beside me yesterday is already waiting in the morning. So I rest tonight, Lord, not knowing every detail ahead, but trusting the truth that remains steady. No matter where the road leads, you are still close. Give me oil in my lamp, keep me burning. Give me oil in my lamp, I pray. Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil. Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil. Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil. Give me oil. Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil. 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 Give me Jerryman. Give me oil. Give me Jerryman. Give me Jerryman. Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil. 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 Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil. Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil. DJ Jerryman. Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil.
Welcome on board. Please remain connected. We are gradually switching to praises now. You know, if you have been waiting for praise section, here we are. Don't go anywhere. Remain connected. Please kindly give me a like, share, comment as you join, as that means a whole lot to me on this platform.
DJ Jerryman, open the sound. DJ Jerryman, turn up loud. If but you don't finish, shout it.
The title for this one is Now Praise Remain. Now Praise Remain is the title of this one that I'm playing now. Please Do well by giving me a like, share, comment as you join. We are now in praising moment. Don't go anywhere, remain connected.
If testimony don't launch, what don't complete, the celebration time. Now praise remain. After victory, after breakthrough, after answer, them things about to go long, Papa end. When Jehovah fight your matter, you know defender. Them right story of my delay, Papa close file. When God stamp your season, you dey smile. If them bring fear for my journey, Papa calm. When heaven answer your prayer, no allow. Funny like enemy book front seat for my crying show. Papa cancel am, now that dancing round so. Nothing else. After all, turn up, shake up.
Welcome on board, DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly do it by giving me a like, share, comment as you join. God bless you as you do that. That means a whole lot to me. The title for this one is Undeniable Blessing. Undeniable Blessing. Let's check it out, and I have all of them available in all streaming platforms. In case you want to, go out there and look for them. DJ Jerryman is the artist, and any platform of your choice at all, either Amazon, Spotify, Boomplay, just all of them, any one of your choice that you usually patronize. All the songs were already out there that you can actually access. Remain connected. We are in the praise section right now. Undeniable Blessing is the title for this one.
Undeniable blessing.
Welcome on board DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly do well by give me a like, share, comment as you join. That means a whole lot to me on this platform. The title for this one is Village Trouble Backload. Village Trouble Backload. That's the title. Remain connected.
Village Trouble Backload. DJ Jerryman, open the heavens. DJ Jerryman, raise the sound higher. Some wahala no start today.
Some trouble follow basic.
From village, but tonight
Praise go hang along.
village trouble backload.
Village trouble back low.
Village trouble